Hi, how are you?
Hi, sir.
Everyone is okay?
Yes, sir.
You must be okay and you look excited. Guys, my name is Surebhan and I am English teacher. Today I am going to teach you, I am going to tell you through this video how can you improve your English one-to-one conversation. And today topic is really pretty much better than another topic. Today I'm going to talk about the UP board educations and CBSE board education. There are two students, they have already participated for this topic and they are going to talk about what is the advantage and what is the benefit of studying in UP board and what is the benefit of studying in CBSE board. And some more students have a confusion that if you study in a UP board, then your life will be in dark, and if you study in a CBSE patterns educations or CBSE curriculum, then your future will be bright. That's not a clear. If you wanna make it clear, if you wanna get right answer of these things of this topic, so you please stay tuned and you watch this video till end. I'm going to call to those students who has participated in this topic, Mr. Devendra Kumar and Mr. Dheeraj Kumar. Mr. Devendra Kumar and Dheeraj Kumar, they are going to talk about this topic and they will speak, and also they will make this clear that what is the benefit of studying in UP board and what is the benefit of studying in CBSE board. So they are going to talk about it and you will watch them clearly and find the result and find the clearance, and also you will find something that wherever you are studying, you are studying right way, right place, and you can make your future with any education, with any patterns and board, with UP board and with CBSE board. So here is Mr. Dheeraj and he is going to talk about this topic. Now let's start.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also better. Okay, what you would like to say? What's your opinion? You can say.
In my opinion is UP board education is good.
May I know why UP board education is good, as well as how do you feel like to select?
Now this generation middle class family don't have a lot of money, and those who boys did not capable to read in English pattern, CBSE pattern, so he take admission in UP board school and he can easily understand and he can easily write, he can easily read. That's why I am saying UP board education is good.
But one thing, do you know, now this time modern generation is going on, but there is CBSE board education, and everybody would like to read in CBSE board, as well as everybody would like to speak English. Then how can you say that the person want to read in UP board?
I am not saying all person want to read UP board, but those who don't have money and those who boys not capable to read CBSE pattern, therefore he read UP board.
But there is not matter of money. There is a matter of your life. If you want to spoil your life, then you can do. Then you can read in UP board, because if you are reading UP board, on the time you have more problem. Of you suppose you go any other places. On the time you don't know what is how to read a book and how to speak English, and you don't have a certificate of CBSE board. Then how you manage that on that place?
No, UP board boys also know that how to speak English and how to live there anywhere. So
no, it's your wrong thinking. But as far as I know that the person are unable to read a Hindi book, then how can you say that they know very well about English?
You know that very well. CBSE pattern boys not capable to read Hindi book, but UP board all boys capable read to all subject. He understand all subject very carefully and easily.
As you know that the practice is perfect of speaking and as well as reading. But if you are practice always in Hindi, and one day you will have to speak English and you will have to read a book in English. On that time, can you read this book?
Yes, why not? Because listen, my point. In this now generation, everybody, some boys read in Hindi UP board, but he able to talk English. Anybody.
In this generation, there are many person qualified with a UP board, but no one person can qualified any exam, any interview, on account of they don't know how to speak English, how to read book, how to talk people people in English. But this on owing of this reason, they are sit at home. They are unable to do go another
How can you say
companies.
that UP board boys is not qualified in exam? You are
On account of he always read in
how can
Hindi.
you say that? How can you say that? You don't know, UP board boys don't know how to talk English, how to communicate people. It is not matter because
How can you say that? If listen to me.
UP board boys also know that how to communicate people, how to speak English, and how to learn and how to write English.
But if I believe your point, but there is one reason of that. If there are many people present, they read in UP board, but they have more confusion of our Hindi language as well as speaking of. They read in UP board, but they don't know how to speak pure Hindi.
No, it is
Why?
only one of the main way CBSE pattern. Those CBSE pattern boys are not capable to read Hindi books, and all boys don't know how to speak English.
Yes, I believe your point that the who read in CBSE board, they don't know how to read a Hindi book, but they don't know they have idea how to read a English book, because he always read in English. That's why they don't know how to read a Hindi
UP
book.
board boys also have idea to how to speak English and how to manage all subject, covered all subjects.
I have already told you that the person practice always in Hindi, then he would be better at in Hindi. But the person who speak always English and who read always English book as well as he always think in English, then whose person is better? Who read in always reading English, that person is able to speak English, or who always read in Hindi, that person able speak very fluent English.
Both are able to speak English very well.
How can you say that both are able to speak very better?
I can see that because I have seen some other places. That's why I am saying to you.
According to me, it's your wrong thinking, because the more I have seen that the person the more practice do Hindi, as well as if you ask any English word on the time they are hesitate to speak, because they are not trained
Its problem both are CBSE.
No. In CBSE board, the teacher trained you how to speak fluent, and how wherever you are, you can easily feeling nice.
No, I know very well, but CBSE UP board boys also know that everything carefully, and he covered all subject by the help of our teacher.
But one thing I would like to ask that can subject is important, or your life skill? It means that your life skill as well as your speaking style, and wherever suppose you want to speak on the stage, on the time you are very hesitant. If you are on the time, what's your feeling if you are reading a UP board?
My feeling is very well. Why I am hesitant? Because I have a knowledge that I never hesitate on stage. Thank you. Nice to talk with you.
Thank you very much. Nice to talk.
As you know that they were speaking very frankly, and also they did not find any kinds of agitation while speaking about that topic. And one thing I found that they have given so many information through their speech that if you study in a UP board and if you study in a CBSE board, both boards are better, but it is depend on the student how they are acquired the knowledge and how well they study that subject properly. If you study the subject properly, then you are wherever you are at right place, and you can make your future better through all those, with all boards. Whether you are studying English medium, it means you study with a UP board, CBSE boards, or you study with another mediums, like you can also study Marathi medium, but I'm not going to talk about Marathi. I'm going to talk about only UP and CBSE board. So you can find so many things if you are right place, if you are sincere with your study. Thank you for watching this video.